guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm being so rough with my client, but trust and believe me, I am not being rough with her at all. So this video today will be how to do an edge trim. This is one of my regular clients. So today I have my friend who just cut her hair back into a pixie cut. If you haven't seen that video already, please go ahead and check that out. I'm just going to use my Wahl edge trimmers to line up the back and then get rid of any excess weight. What getting rid of the weight does is just allows the haircut to flow nicely. Nobody wants to see any steps in their haircut. They want their haircut to grow out really nicely and just always look on point. So when I say I am just getting rid of any weight lines, I will be showing you what weight lines are towards the end of the video, just so that you get a clearer understanding of what the weight lines are. Because when you get a haircut, nobody wants to see steps in their haircut. You want to have a nice, seamless and smooth haircut, just to enable the hair to grow out nice and seamlessly. I always tell my clients that a haircut isn't just for today, it's for the next 6 weeks until you get your next haircut. So it needs to grow out into a nice shape. So now I'm just shaping around her ear, and then I'm going to get my thinning scissors to just go ahead and thin out any of these weight lines that I was speaking about before. I recommend clients get an edge trim at least every 2 weeks, just to make sure that they maintain their hair. You can obviously stretch it to every 4 weeks, but I would suggest that you go and see your stylist at least one time in between your pixie cut. So here I'm just showing you a close-up of the weight line and how I have managed to thin it out. I will be showing you a back view as well. I then go to the other side and thin out that side, just so that you can get rid of that, inverted triangle shape, and just make sure that the hair looks smooth, just in case that the client doesn't want to go ahead and curl their hair or style it. They just want to wear it from a wrap. It needs to look good and seamless. So here you can see the example of the inverted triangle that I was talking about. As you can see at the top, it's got that massive wedge, and these are the weight lines that I have tried and successfully got rid of, in my opinion. So you can see clearly side by side the difference before the edge trim and post the edge trim. In next week's video, I will be showing you how I styled this pixie cut. And now we're at the end, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. I post every Saturday, so please turn on your post notifications just so that you're alerted whenever I make my next upload. See you guys.